The hyperscale data stock I shared recently is up 1.18%. But today's pick could deliver returns 100 times larger. I found a defense company at just $1 with NASA contracts, L3Harris partnerships, and satellites already in orbit. Before you think this is another penny stock gamble, this company has a $30 million contract for NASA's moon mission. Stick around, because this could be huge. Hey everyone, Sterling from Velocity Stocks. Welcome back. If you're new, this channel finds undervalued stocks with real catalysts before Wall Street catches on. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss opportunities like this. Alright, let's dive in. We're in the middle of what experts call the commercialization of space. NASA's Artemis program alone is $90 billion in contracts. The Department of Defense is investing billions in satellite technology. The global space economy is projected to hit $1.8 trillion by 2040. Companies providing end-to-end space services are positioned to capture massive market share. The company I'm sharing today operates in this exact space with real satellites in orbit and government contracts signed. The company is Sidus Space, ticker SIDU, trading on NASDAQ at $1.01. Sidus Space is headquartered in Merritt Island, Florida, right on the Space Coast near Cape Canaveral. Founded in 2012 with 104 employees, they provide satellite design and manufacturing, space-based data services, and defense hardware. They operate a 35,000 square foot facility and have 3 LizzieSat satellites currently in orbit. This isn't a startup. This is a legitimate aerospace manufacturer with operational satellites in space today. Let me give you 5 reasons why Sidus at $1 represents an opportunity. Catalyst 1. NASA Artemis contract. Sidus was awarded a subcontract on the $30 million Moon Racer project for NASA's lunar mission. They're designing the first lunar data storage spacecraft. This validates their technology at the highest level. Catalyst 2. L3Harris partnership. Sidus has a Department of Defense mentor-protege partnership with L3Harris, a $24 billion defense giant. This gives them direct access to government contracts and relationships. Catalyst 3. Operational satellite constellation. They launched LizzieSat 1 in March, LizzieSat 2 in December 2024, and just commissioned LizzieSat 3. Each satellite generates recurring revenue through payload hosting and data services. Catalyst 4. Defense contracts. In 2024, Sidus secured a $2 million contract to manufacture equipment for U.S. Navy propulsion systems. This diversifies revenue beyond satellites. Catalyst 5. The valuation. Here's the big one. Sidus trades at a $35.6 million market cap. The all-time high was over $1,000 per share. The stock has fallen 99.9% from peak. But the technology works. The contracts are real. The satellites are operational. The decline is purely sentiment-driven, not operational failure. At $35 million, you're buying a company with NASA contracts and operational satellites for less than the cost of building one satellite. Current price, $1.01. Market cap, $35.6 million. Volume, 2.37 million shares daily. Exchange, NASDAQ, all-time high, $1,113 in February 2022. 1-month range, 63 cents to 1.18. 6-month range, 63 cents to $2.05. 1-year range, 63 cents to 5.60. The stock found bottom at 63 cents and is now consolidating above $1. If they announce a major contract, this could move violently higher given the tiny market cap. From a technical view, it's at an inflection point. Either breaks above 150 and runs, or retests 63 cents. I believe the catalysts favor upside. Now the risks, because this is genuinely speculative. Sidus is a penny stock at $1. You could lose your entire investment. That's real. The company reported a $6 million net loss in Q3. They're not profitable and burning cash. If they can't secure more contracts or capital, they face serious difficulties. The space industry is competitive. SpaceX and well-capitalized players could dominate. Government contracts can be delayed or terminated. The stock is extremely volatile. 20 to 50% swings are common. This is not conservative. Never put more than 1 to 3% of your portfolio in any penny stock. Do your own research. Read SEC filings. Don't invest based solely on this video. If you can't handle losing everything, skip this stock. Let's recap. Sidus Space, ticker SIDU, $1 per share, 35 million market cap. 5 catalysts, 30 million NASA moon contract. L3 Harris partnership, 3 operational satellites, US Navy contracts, extreme valuation dislocation, price targets. Conservative, $2 to $3 in 12 months. That's 100 to 200% just back to recent levels. Aggressive, $5 to $10 if they land major new contracts. That's 5 to 10x. Risk could retest 63 cents or go lower. My take. The risk-reward at $1 is compelling for a small speculative position, but size this appropriately. Here's what to do. Subscribe to Velocity Stocks for more analysis. Drop a comment with your thoughts on Sidus. Smash that like button. Legal disclaimer. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Sidus is high risk. You could lose 100%. Do your own research. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. I believe we're at the start of a space boom, and companies like Sidus with government contracts and operational tech could deliver extraordinary returns for those who accept the risks. I'm Sterling from Velocity Stocks. Do your research, invest with discipline. See you next time.